manually and creating report one by one. What if Python could automatically collect Cisco data, device data and generate a professional Excel report in seconds? In today's video, I will show you exactly how to automate Excel report generate using the Python, NetMiko, Pandas and OpenPyXL. So welcome back to the network automation with Python series on Explore IT Issue Solution 4. So in previous video, we learned backup automation, health monitoring, output parsing using the text FSM. So and today we will create a real enterprise level Excel report automatically using Python. So in this video we learn how to connect the multiple device Cisco devices, parse interface data like all devices interface data, generate professional Excel report, create multiple Excel sheet, save report automatically with the timestamp. Correct. So step 1, first install all required Python libraries. So for installing the Python library, we go to the PowerShell using by administrator. Okay. Now we need to put here pip install pandas open pyxl and netmiko. Okay, once you can hit the enter, so I will explain you what we are using here. Pandas used for creating a table and Excel report, OpenXYL pyxl used for generating Excel file, and NetMiko for the SSH automation with Cisco devices. Okay, so now we are creating the CSV. Okay, so first we need to hit enter to install this library. Hit enter and see what happening. So it's required library satisfy the pandas is say all required library and packages need to install automatically once you have hit the enter here. Okay, so now it's xml file.202 something open pyxl is installed successfully. In the second step we need to create a CSV file containing all routers login details. So I have already created the Excel file for this one device.csv, so which is already created. I'll show you. We have added the multiple detail here, like host name, username, password and secret, like this. Okay, now this CSV file helps Python connect to the multiple routers automatically from here. So this is our lab. Okay, so now create the script file first. So I'm just creating the right click and create a new notepad file here, and name I will provide you the name of this file, excelexcel _report.py. okay, we don't remove the extension of text. Enter here and asking for change, so I'm just changing here. Okay, now click and add it in notepad. So this is, now we have added the code here, our code, which is I have already saved in another device. So copy and paste here. Okay, so this is the code. So I will explain you step by step code for this. So first import the library from import the CSV from NetMiko, import collector header, import the pandas as PD, from the datetime import datetime and import OS. Okay, next line is create report folder. So we have created the report folder _os path.join something. This is a code for the path of this automatically create the Excel report folder on desktop. Okay, the next one is store data. So this list store all interface information, interface data and version data. Correct. Next is connect to the router. Okay, so NetMiko create a SSH connection with the Cisco devices. Okay, then connect the information and parse output means this is output means that the text FSM convert raw CLI output into structured data automatically. Then next one is create data frame, this one. So create data frame, the pandas convert Python data into the professional table format in this section. Okay, so this is a pandas command, pandas information. Next is generate the Excel report. Okay, so this create a professional multiple Excel sheet, this command multiple Excel sheets Excel report automatically. So now time to the demo, see the demo what happening. So now let's run the script and generate the Excel report. Okay, so first we need to save this, save, and for run this command or script we need to go to the CMD. Okay, now go to the desktop directory because this file is saved on desktop, so cd.desktop space desktop. Now run the file python space excel report.py. Okay, now hit enter, then see what output we have received. So here we can hit enter now, enter, and you check is trying to connecting the device 1 data collect, device 2 data collect, device 3 data collected, device 4 data collected. The Excel report generated in this path. You need the C user SHARM desktop Excel reports is a folder under the network report, this type of. Okay, now see the output actually what happening we have received. So the which folder is the C Excel report. Okay, desktop and Excel report. So this is a folder Excel report, and under this folder we received the network report in the Excel format. So just click here and see this, we collect the interface data and version, I think, as I have created the script, correct. So switch router 1 the information, router 2 the information, router 3 the information, and router 4, and version information we receive. This is the all devices version. So version something like this, and this. You receive the interface information and version information. Same like you can edit the multiple information like VLANs, like routings. So as per your network infrastructure you can edit the information in this script, and you can run the command automatically via the Python, using the Python, correct. So as you can see, Python automatically generate the interface sheet, version information sheet, and timestamp. Okay, so this is how enterprises company automate reporting and auditing system. Instead of manually checking CLI output, automation create professional report automatically. So this is not a just scripting anymore. This is a real enterprise in network automation engineering. So in this video help you to learn professional Excel reporting automation. Then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to explore IT issues solution for all. And in day 15 we will automatically email these Excel report using the Python. So till then, thank you so much for watching our video.